Hi everyone, I am here to do my sharing of my online professional portfolio. My name is Curentia Joshua, as you can see here. This portfolio is a accumulation of all of the things that I've learned in both of my technology courses this semester, along with a few other things that I've learned throughout my experience here at Houston Baptist University. So just to kind of move forward, I do have like my autobiography here and my educational philosophy, along with the Texas Technology Educator Standards that was required in another course. So just to move on with a few things that I have placed in this in my portfolio for this semester, I would like to start with the TPACK and SAMUR presentation. I've uploaded that here onto my portfolio. So this video can be accessible through YouTube, but however, you can just click it here and it'll take you right to the YouTube video. So through that, I learned a lot about TPACK and SAMUR and how those models work together and how they are different. I'm sure that all of us learned quite a bit about the TPACK and SAMUR models, a lot that I didn't know at first, but I am glad that I've taken this course to learn a lot regarding those models and how I can implement them within my future within higher education. So to move forward on the more, if you just click more over here, I have the online professional network that I have here, where you can view the networks, the learning networks that I provided. I have a list of those here. Along with that, I have included blogs. I've included social media accounts that have been really helpful for me. I have also included podcasts that I found very beneficial. A few of those podcasts include the Student Affairs Nerd podcast. And like I stated, this podcast covers topics like diversity, social justice, and sustainability within higher education. So I do think that is a really beneficial podcast for higher education professionals. To move on, I have my innovation plan for change. Again, this is another YouTube video that that I uploaded onto my YouTube, and if you click it here again, it'll take you to the YouTube, or I believe it'll just play in this in my professional portfolio. Yes. So with my innovation change assignment, I wanted to implement a portal app to advanced technology at the current institution that I'm working at, which is Alvin Community College. So currently, our college kind of does things the old way. They use a lot of paper pen methods, and just not really having a fully online virtual presence. So I think that implementing a portal app to improve student success and have the area of student support services more accessible, I think that that will be the best recommendation for a technological change at Alvin Community College. To move on, I also included the innovative unit of instruction with incorporating adaptive learning techniques. Here I included my learning objectives, my essential questions, and then my authentic assessment. So this will all go into play just to kind of give you an overview. As a higher education professional, I somewhat struggled with this assignment because I initially thought this assignment was geared towards those who taught K through 12. However, I began to dwell on this assignment a little bit more, and I realized how important it is to set out clear goals and objectives for the Division of Student Support Services. With this assignment, I was able to create clear objectives for first-year students. The purpose behind my chosen area of study is student success. I am very passionate about student success, and student success should be demonstrated to first-year students so that they can utilize the tools that they've learned throughout their college career. As a first-generation student, I did not have an outline or a playbook. My parents were not college graduates, so as a college student, there were many times I had to rely on resources of student that came from the student support services area. My overall purpose is to help those students who may be facing the same challenges that I did, while also assisting those that may need advice or support. So that is why these objectives and essential questions and the final assessment was created for this assignment. And to move on to my gamification assignment and rubric, I was able to create a lesson incorporating gamification. Here you can see the objectives, the instructions to the game, which is a Kahoot game, and students will be able to play this Kahoot game. And I'll just click it. I think it may pop up. Let's see. So yeah, so the Kahoot game is really for students within a freshman foundations course. As you can see, the first question, where is the counseling office located? So there's a few different options. Lower that down. A few different options for that, and they can play this game. That was incorrect. It was actually in the student support services building, K building. So just with these questions, there's a list of questions that the students will go through, and it's like a Jeopardy game. So it's like a Jeopardy game. So the students will be able to collect points, and as they collect points, the top 3 highest scores will receive extra credit on the final exam for the freshman foundations course. And just to go a little further, these are the resources and the rubric that I created for this assignment. And overall, that is all that I have included into my portfolio for this semester. And I thank you guys for taking the time to listen to my show and tell of my portfolio. Thank you so much.